In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic stick notes in Notion. We're going to build simple, colorful sticky notes that you can reuse and update across your workspace, just like real sticky notes on a wall, but smarter and fully synced. By the end, you'll have a flexible system you can use for reminders, ideas, tasks, or anything you want to stand out on your pages. Start by opening any Notion page where you want your sticky note to live. Click into the page, and instead of typing right away, enter a / on your keyboard. This opens Notion's command menu. In the search field that appears, start typing the word callout. You should see the callout block appear in the list of options. Go ahead and click on callout. Notion will insert a new callout block into your page. This is going to be the base of your sticky note. You'll see an emoji on the left, a space for text, and a background color behind the block. Click into the text area and type whatever you want your sticky note to say. This could be a quick reminder, a high priority task, or a key idea you don't want to miss. Next, customize the look of your sticky note so it really stands out. Click on the emoji at the left side of the callout. You can choose a different emoji that matches the type of note you're creating, like a light bulb for ideas or a star for important items. Then hover near the block until you see the block menu icon, usually to the left. Click it and choose a background color. Pick something bright or distinct so your sticky note is easy to spot at a glance. Now let's make this sticky note dynamic using a synced block. Directly under or around your callout, type a / again and then type sync block. Select the synced block option from the menu. Notion will create a red outlined area. Drag your callout into this synced block or cut and paste it inside. Once it's inside the synced area, any changes you make to this note can be mirrored wherever you copy it. To reuse your dynamic sticky note, simply copy this synced block and paste it onto any other Notion page or section. Every pasted version stays linked. If you edit the text, emoji, or color in one of them, those changes will update in all the other synced copies. This is what makes your sticky note truly dynamic and perfect for consistent reminders across your workspace.